And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you the deleted tag. It's a simple tag that can be used to delete text inside of a document. It is usually displayed with a strike through. So let me add it right here to the word deleted. It has a closing tag. And now this word has this line that strikes it through. And you may want to use it when you've got something in your document that you want to replace that's wrong and you want to give the right answer. For example, let me just add 2 and 2. So the right result for that is obviously 4, but when you make it 7, let me close the paragraph here. You now want to add the right answer, which is 4, and then give the delete tags to 7, which was the wrong answer. Another simple example would be if you mix 2 colors. Let's make it yellow and red. And blue is the wrong answer for that. You get more of an orange tone. So you want to strike blue through and leave orange. There are no specific attributes for this tag, but you can obviously add all of the global attributes to it, like a class, for example, or an ID. And this is how you can use the deleted tag in HTML. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.